Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about some questions of states of matter. Now I'll go to discuss at first of all the question number 11. This question says that equal mass of hydrogen, oxygen, methane have been taken in a container of volume V at temperature 27 degrees Celsius in identical condition. The ratio of the volumes of the gases H2O2 CH4 would be. Now we can calculate the volumes, the ratio of volumes, and say and the given here the volume V at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Now how can I solve this question? At first we know that about V proportional to N. Okay, we know Avogadro's hypothesis says that V proportional to N. Here V is equal to volume and N is equal to number of moles. Okay, now here the elements in H2, H2O2 and CH4, there are three compounds here. And now suppose the mass of each is m. Mass of each is m. Okay, now here in case of hydrogen H2 is to O2 is to CH4. Okay, now we can write m by the molar mass of H2 is equal to 2. Here hydrogen is equal to 1 and oxygen is equal to 16. Atomic mass is the atomic mass and molar mass of this. Here there are two O2 atom, so we can write into 2. So here m by 32, 16 to the 32 is to CH4. Here hydrogen 1 and carbon is equal to 12. Now carbon 12 and hydrogen 4, that is 12 plus 4, that is 16. Now m by 16. Okay, now then m by 2, here we give up this m mass and 1 by 2 is the numbers of mole is equal to, we know that numbers of mole is equal to m by mass by molar mass is equal to n. So we can write V proportional to n. Now V1 is to V2 is to V3. Here volume of hydrogen, volume of oxygen, volume of CH4 is equal to like this: V1 VH2 is to VO2 is to VCH4. And now if here V proportional to n, so we can write n number of moles of H2 is to numbers of mole O2 is to numbers of mole CH4. And we know that n is equal to mass of molar mass. Mass is mass by molar mass. So we can write mass by molar mass, mass by molar mass, mass by molar mass. Now 1 by 2 is to 1 by 32 is to 1 by 16. Now calculate this: 1 by 2 into 32 is to 1 by 32 into 32 is to 1 by 16 into 32. Then 16 to the 32 and 32 the 16. Now the answer is 16 is to 1 is to 2. This is the answer of this question. So here the answer is C is correct. 16:1:2. Now the second question, maximum deviation from ideal gas is expected from. Maximum deviation, here maximum deviation depends on compressibility factor Z. Here the main maximum deviation in case of NH3 is more, and then CH4. Okay. Now 13, question number 13. 50 ml of each gas A and of gas B takes 150 and 200 seconds respectively for diffusing through a pinhole under the similar condition. If molecular mass of gas B is 36 and the molecular mass of A will be. Here the question gives us the two term second time of A and B respectively here, and the molecular mass of B is 36. Now how can I solve this question? You look here, we know that the formula T is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to root over M2 by M1. This is the formula to solve this question. Here M2 by M1, molecular mass time with molecular mass is inversely proportional. Time proportional to inversely proportional M. Okay, or T proportional to 1 by M or root over M. Okay, now I write this equation and put the value here. TA and TB, MB, MA. Now here TA and TB and MB, the value given here, and we can find the MA value. Now put this value. TA is equal to 150 and TB is equal to 200. Okay, and root over of MB value is equal to MB value here 36. The molecular mass of MB is equal to 36 B, and A calculate here. Calculate this value MA. Now 0 0 cross, 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20. 3 by 4 9, and here 36 MA is equal to 3 by 4. Here I will square this both. In case of both I will square, and 36 MB is square and square and root cross, and 9 16, 3 3 9 and 3 4 4 16. Now MA is equal to 9 16 into 36.